Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining how an electric tankless water heater works. So I'm learning this too for myself, but hopefully this mind map representation helps also give you an idea. So the tankless water heater first starts with a water inlet, which is basically water. It enters the unit from the cold water supply. So if you actually look at your tankless water heater, you're going to see one pipe, and that's basically where cold water flows in to replace the hot water that's coming out. Next, you have the heating element activation. So what this is that it's basically sensors that detect how basically the temperature of the water that's coming in. So water flow triggers heating elements, which is basically a coil around the pipe, and then the elements heat water directly without the tank. So it basically looks like an electrical system, and it has sensors on it to detect the temperature of the water that's going in. Now with that, next step is temperature control. So this ties into like the built-in sensors that monitor the water temperature coming in from the water inlet. And so based on the temperature, it adjusts the heating elements to maintain the desired temperature. So notice how on your electric tankless water heater, there's going to be a computer that regulates the temperature so that you can actually adjust the temperature. And you'll see it as like a dial, or digital dial where you can set the temperature to like 120 or 115. Now, the next step is the hot water outlet. So with the hot water outlet, basically there's two pipes that go into your tankless water heater. And so cold water goes in, and then heated water exits the unit for immediate use. Now, there's no standby energy losses as with traditional tanks, which is one of the perks with an electric tankless water heater. And this also leads it to have continuous hot water supply. So with a tankless water heater, it's able to deliver hot water on demand, and water is only heated as it flows through the unit. Now next, you do have energy efficiency with an electric tankless water heater where it uses electricity only when water is flowing. So this is a lot more efficient than a storage tank water heater. And as far as safety features goes, on your tankless water heater, you should see some sort of automatic shutoff to prevent overheating, and also an anti-scald protection to maintain safe water pressure. Other mentions that I do want to mention are the electrical resistive elements to heat the water flowing through the tubes. And so with those tubes, you don't really see them just because your electric tankless water heater is a box. But within that box are these tubes that heat the water. And then there's also a thermal circuit that's mounted on each of the tubes. And with each of the tubes, it opens the circuits in case of overheating. So notice that's basically the safety feature where your tankless water heater is equipped with automatic shutoff to prevent overheating. So that's a basic overview as far as how an electric tankless water heater works. Water goes in, hot water comes out, obviously, but there's temperature controls and heating element activations, and also like energy saving mechanisms that save you money when it comes to electricity flowing only when water is flowing itself. Likewise, it does also have a safety feature just in case overheating occurs. But me specifically, I've had my electric tankless heater for well over 2 years now, and it's worked just fine. I do recommend also you learn how to actually clean out your electric tankless heater just so you could help maintain it. But I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.